In this video, you'll learn how to quickly link a contact to a deal in Pipedrive. First, open Pipedrive and head to your pipeline. On the left-hand sidebar, click Deals. This takes you to your list or pipeline view, where all your active deals live. Find and select the deal you want to update. Near the top of the deal page, look for the Person field. This is the main contact currently linked to the deal. Hover your mouse over that person detail and you'll see a small pen icon appear. From here, you have two clear options. If you want to replace the existing main contact, you can remove or clear the current person and swap them out. Alternatively, if you just want to include more stakeholders without replacing the main contact, click the Plus Participants button. Now start typing the name of the new or additional contact. If the person is already in your Pipedrive contact list, they'll appear in the suggestions as you type. Select the correct person from the list. After selecting, click Link to confirm. That's it. The contact is now connected to the deal. Take a quick moment to verify your changes. You should see the new name in the Person field or listed under Participants on the deal. This helps ensure everyone on your team knows exactly who's involved and can log emails, calls, and notes against the right people. If you don't see the name you're expecting, it may mean the contact hasn't been added to your contact list yet, so make sure they exist in People before trying again. And that's all. You've successfully linked a contact to a deal in Pipedrive, keeping your CRM tidy and your sales process crystal clear.